Once you're in your business manager, the next thing to do is get into the ad manager and set up your page.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
Now you may be used to or still see Facebook's old design for this, which looks like this. If you see something like this, you basically just need to go into business settings. So it will look like this, and you need to go into your accounts and add pages because you'll need to add a page. And the reason you need a page is because your ads are run through a business page, not a Facebook group, business page. So you'll add a page. Either you'll make one or you will add one that's existing. But let's use the more modern Facebook design for this. This is your business manager home. And so what you would do is go to your business settings, and it's going to look very similar to that previous page. And then of course you go to pages. I already have this Problemio.com page set up, but in your case, if you don't have that, you will just click the add button, add a page. You see, it's very similar. The changes are just cosmetic. And if you're doing this for a client or a partner, you would request access to a page and you'd enter the page there. Or you can create a new page. If you already have an existing page, you would use this, and then you would just paste the URL of the page and add the page, and it will look something like this for you. And you will have your page added, and then all the ads you'd run would be through this page. So in the upcoming videos, we're going to be using this page to set up your ads.